Guys, I just sold my collection. There he goes. And it goes quickly. I can see a wall. Can you see that? I can see a wall. So these two lovely people are just taking everything away and put it in their car, and it's gonna be empty soon. And two more boxes gone. My gosh, it's almost empty. Oh, my Hello Kitty collection. There it goes. And there it goes. It's almost gone. Last 3 boxes. This is going so quickly, guys. Took me about 2.5 years to say goodbye, and now in just 4 minutes, 1 box left. This is all that's left. Just 1 more box. And there it goes. Gone. It's gone. My Hello Kitty collection is gone. It's just gone. It's a bit sad, but also I'm so happy that finally it's gone. Guys, how long have I been decluttering? 2.5, almost 3 years. And I decided to stop collecting Hello Kitty, I think 1.5 years ago. And it's been a journey. But it feels good. I'm a bit sad, but it feels good. It's gone. So I'm officially no longer a Hello Kitty collector. Wah. I'm now just a huge Hello Kitty fan, because I still have Hello Kitty everywhere in my house. I use a lot of Hello Kitty items, and I'd probably buy some Hello Kitty items if I see something very, very cute. It's just because I'm a huge Hello Kitty fan, but no longer a collector. But I am an Alice in Wonderland collector. I'm an Alice in Wonderland collector. Look guys, it's a floor. It's an empty floor. Did you know I forgot that I had black and white tiles in my kitchen? There used to be boxes here everywhere, as I just showed you in my pictures. So these boxes are gone. And there's a lot on this table that I still need to bring upstairs and put in the right spot. But then this is clean, this is done. All the boxes that were over here I put on that wall again. So the wall was empty for just a little while, but now there are a lot of boxes. But that's because those were over here. Look, you can see my feet. And the floor. Insane. So, let me walk you through this. So I still have all of this. It looks like a lot, and it is a lot, but that box is gonna go to Goodwill. That I just need to use and wrap some Christmas presents, and then it's gonna go. In there is a Christmas present that I need to wrap. Those are all Christmas presents that I need to wrap. So when that's done, this is all gone. Those 4 brown boxes are gone. That is where the kitty sleeps. But where is she now? There's no kitty over here. Wait. The kitty is over here. Hello, kitty. Hello. Did you find a new spot? Oh. Okay, I'll just leave you to sleep. Okay, so I have these boxes. This is stuff that needs to be sorted through. Some of it can go to Goodwill, and some of it I need to put back in its the spot where it belongs, and some of it I want to try and sell, but most of it is gonna go. This is this one as well. And there is also a pile of some Hello Kitty stuff that I want to keep somewhere. Oh, that's this pile. There are lots of Hello Kitty items in here that I want to keep, so I'm gonna put them in the attic. I have 2 bookcases where I can put my Hello Kitty collection, because I'm still a Hello Kitty fan. I still have Hello Kitty stuff, but I think I'm gonna let go of a lot that's in here as well. So this is what I want to do. My husband is gonna get 1 box and bring it upstairs, and then I'm just gonna sort through it, put it in my bookcase, and maybe let go of some items still. So this needs to be sorted. This is what's left of my Hello Kitty collection, and some other stuff. It's not only Hello Kitty. And then over here you've got lots of stamps and stuff that just needed to be sorted through. And guys, it's gonna go way more quickly than my Hello Kitty collection, because this I'm just gonna take a box, sort through it and gone. So, but I decided not to do that this December. So I'm going to make this a really nice pile and put a blanket over it, and then it's just gone for December. Because this December I'm taking a month off of decluttering and stuff. And then in January, I hope it'll be gone in January or early February. Who knows? So that's all that's left. It looks like a lot, but you've seen my videos. It's not a lot because, again, guys, look at my floor. Empty. So the next time you're gonna see me in front of this pile, I hope you can't see the pile. I hope it's gonna be lower because, well, I'm gonna even it and put a blanket over it for this December. But in January, I wanna start decluttering again and try to finish it. And then I still have loads more to declutter. There's gonna be declutter videos for a few years to come, I think. But boy, will it be nice if this is empty. What am I gonna do with an empty wall? I'm not used to that. So I'm just gonna show you another clip of what it looks like when there's blankets over it and it looks a bit better. And then that's it for decluttering this year. Yes. And now the boxes have magically disappeared, guys. Look at it. They're gone. That's just one box with Christmas presents left. And we wrapped the boxes in beautiful, yes, Hello Kitty blankets. Did you see what we did there? Hello Kitty is replaced and now it's Hello Kitty blankets. And we made it a bit Christmas-like. Let me show you up close. Actually, guys, this is actually as big as my piano was, just a little bit bigger. So it feels like there's a piano over here covered in Hello Kitty blankets, which is really weird. But it looks really nice. I mean, look at this. Let me just walk back a little. Okay, those are also presents, so just ignore those. It's Christmas over here. That's a whole lot better than the pictures you just saw. So over here I have Christmas and a candy cane, and we have advent calendars because there are more over here, and we have a little kitty sleeping. She's sleeping between the advent calendars. This is her spot now. I put a really nice blanket over here. No, I mean a doormat. This is what she loves. Every Christmas she sits on this doormat and she just loves it. So we put it over here so she can sit on this. And then my lady found this spot. She's even got a wonderful fireplace. Look at this. Ta-da! So she's very cozy near the fireplace. Oh, batteries are dead. Well, that was short. Sure, it was fun while it lasted. Okay, so this looks nice, right? Well, it is still a mess, but it is an organized mess. And like I said, it looks a bit like my piano. So over here I still have a floor, as you can see, and I have this. It's now a cute little Christmas cabinet that's over here, because every Christmas we have this over here. It's normally in my living room, but there's now a Christmas tree. And like I said, presents. So that was it for this video. There was a lot of clutter over here for years and years. And now there are still boxes, but for December they are nicely wrapped. And I can just ignore them. The only boxes that are here are filled with presents, and they're gonna be under the tree this week. So then there will be no more boxes in my kitchen. Well, none that you see anyway. Okay, and then next year, more decluttering. So if you want to see more declutter videos, check out next year, because I really want to get rid of this pile and then do the rest of the house. Now I'm in the spirit. It took me 2.5 years, but now I really want to declutter more. So I hope you liked the video. It was a bit of a chaotic rambling video, but you're used to that. So if you liked it anyway, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So my next video is gonna be something probably maybe Christmas-like. Christmassy, I don't know. We'll find out. All that's left to say is groetjes uit Holland. Greetings from Holland. Bye. Oh, Kai. She's so cute.